Hi and welcome back to Nary's Laces. Okay, today I am just showing some finished projects that I've been working on past couple of days. You guys know I did a ballerina mini banner for a customer, and I always try to make a duplicate, but it's not a duplicate. It's not the same, not even nowhere near what I did with the other one. But this is one that's going into the Etsy shop. Okay, right after this video, I'll put it up on the Etsy shop if anyone's interested. I still have, I think, two of the other duplicates that I made in the Etsy shop. So this one says ballerina on it. This is the ends. Okay, that's one thing that's going in the Etsy shop. I'm gonna put it aside. Just making room for some other stuff. I have this one. I just did a reel on Instagram. You guys seen this before? I made a couple of embellished appliques. Okay, this one here, little chain. This one's all metal, pretty. Okay, that's one. This is going into the Etsy shop. This one is the beads and the, how do you call it, little rhinestones, not rhinestones, pearls, brooches. It's this one here. This one's also going to the Etsy shop if anyone's interested. Okay, now this is a finished project that I just finished a couple days ago. Well, that's a lie. It wasn't a couple days ago. It was just yesterday. I was working on it the past couple of days. This is my first finished, well, not my first, but here, maybe on YouTube. But I've done many journals before, but they were to sell. This one here, I'm also selling. Okay, I'm not sure about the closure just yet. I might make this a little bit longer. I might change it. I don't know yet. Okay, but let me sit down on this one. Okay, so this is the journal, and it's I'll put the link on the Etsy shop where I purchased this paper. Hold on a second. The digital rather. Because I have this one here, which I'll show in a minute. Okay, so let me just finish showing this. Okay, I might put another little bead there. Not a bead, but a flat back. Same that I have on here. I don't know if you can see them, but those are flat back pearls. Or rhinestones, rather. It's been such a while that I've sat down to do a journal. But I'm gonna do, because I got plenty of laces to work with, so might as well just start making journals and selling them. Okay, here's that one. Okay, now I tried to make this one. Okay, if you guys know, my journals are simple, clean. I don't go overboard. I tried not to go overboard. I've gone overboard on a couple of them, but I tried to not to go overboard on some of them because these are junk journals, so it gives you a little room to write or put your own little things inside. Okay, so beautiful picture. Lots of little tags here. And this one here. This one here. Oops, here we go. So I try to keep it simple. But I was trying to focus on the laces and on the pictures, basically. I mean, I could embellish it, but I'm trying to keep it simple. So this way you guys can see the pictures and get an idea of some of the laces that this one here, I just made a tag. I couldn't find my my Tim Holtz clips. Because like I said, I'm just starting to take stuff out, so I'm working with what I could find first, and then eventually everything will be out. But right now it's hard, trying to work with what I have and not having what I need. Okay, but in the meantime, it's working out. This one, oh, I hear my daughter. She's gonna call me. Breakfast time, mommy. Okay. I think they're so pretty. Some of the appliques. This is a trim. And the laces behind it are like all the laces I have in my store. Okay, I'm just showing you. See, empty space. So you go right on and put your own things. This one here. And this one I thought was cute, but I didn't put anything inside this envelope. I might put something in there. Okay, a little butterfly, the little lace trims that I have. This is this was a large trim. I just cut the side of it. Okay, which belongs to this one here. Okay, all these laces are in my shop except for these little ones. This one here I don't have. I don't have that one. Okay, here's another piece. this is just recently, I just dyed the laces, the large lace trim, so I have this one. Okay, and you're gonna see a little bow, whoever purchased it, a little bow, which means when you see a little bow, it has another opening here. You could add something in there. I just didn't put anything in there just yet. I mean, I might not, I don't know. Okay, so I'm trying to focus on the pictures, you know, the digital. Another open page. It's so pretty. You know, you start one way and it ends up going another way. Okay, another open page. There's this one. This is this trim here this is Wendolin. Okay, I also have this one here. But the pictures are so pretty. Okay, this one here. I did a little sewing on some of them. Here's a little bow, which means there's an opening here. There's an opening. A little tag that's glued on. Back wall. I was going to stamp on it, but I want to leave some open space for whoever buys the journal, because this way they can put their own take on it. You know, because if I embellish the whole thing, there's nothing for you to play with. Okay. Here's a little tag. That's the last one. You can embellish the frame. The frame had a white border on it, and what I did, I just peeled it to match. So you could embellish here, put your own little flowers. Yeah, I have some of this. I have this trim. Okay, I have this trim. And I have this trim. And this trim. And that's basically it. Here's my journal. I thought it came out so cute. Pretty, pretty. Little alligator type journal. It does stand. And that's basically it. I hope you like, and if you're interested, I'll put it down in the description box. Well, actually, it'll be in my Etsy shop, so go into the Etsy shop and you'll see. Okay, if anybody's interested. But I wanted to show this one here. I didn't put them on cardstock, but I wanted to show you some of the pictures. And I'll put her link down below. This is the next one I'll be working on, which is going to be totally different from that one. I'll use more color on this one. I think it's so pretty. Okay. Like I said, similar to that one. She's got a lot of other really nice ones. This will probably be my main cover in the back page. Now this gave me some ideas too, which I guess you'll see once I complete this project. This will probably take me about 2 weeks. Okay, so I'll put her link down below. She is on Etsy, and she does have a lot of other digitals. Okay, so anybody's interested in what I just showed, the journal and my two, what do you call it? The ballerina and the applique, the embellished appliques will be in my Etsy shop. And that's basically it for today. Short video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.